Looking back again, we're going to learn another basic footwork which will help us understand more complex footwork in the future. Right? So as you remember, we need 4 objects for this footwork. So instead of placing it in a plus now, we're going to place it like an X. So we're going to place it in diagonals. I'll show you what I mean. So if I'm going to stand here, I'm going to keep one diagonal, bring it back, diagonal in line with this glass, bring it back, then the other diagonal in line with this glass, and the final one here. So what you're basically doing is you're surrounding yourself with a square, right? And you're gonna, as we did in right leg right and left leg right, we're going to step in line with these glasses and come back, right? So let's do the right leg first, slowly understand it, then do the left, and then we'll practice it in different speeds, right? So starting with the right leg, you're going to go to the right diagonal first. So you step, come back. Now you're going to go to the back diagonal. Step and come back. Now this is the tricky part. You're going to cross your leg from behind and reach towards the left back diagonal. Bring it back to the center. Now you're going to reach the left front diagonal, but you're not going to cross from behind. As you can see, it looks very awkward. So we're going to cross from the front and reach there. Right? We're only moving the right leg right. So right top corner, right back corner, left back corner, left top corner. Right? Let's try it slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's completely fine if you knock the object down. That means that you are really working on your precision. You're making your movements as clean as possible. That's a great sign. Alright? Awesome. Let's look at the left foot now. Same thing, we start on the left top. Bring it back. Left back corner. Bring it back. Right back corner. Again, we're going to cross from the back. And now, right top corner, we're going to cross from the front and bring it back. Right? Let's try it slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Try to get as close to the glass as possible. As I mentioned, if you knock it down, it's completely fine. It's a sign that you're doing the footwork really well. But try to keep it as accurate as possible. Try to be exactly in line with the glass. The more you do it, the better your footwork will get. Right? So let's try slowly, medium and fast on the right leg, and slow, medium, fast on the left leg. Right? Let's start slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right? Let's go a little faster, medium speed. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right? Let's go fast. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. Let's go left leg, slow, medium, fast. Let's go slow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's go medium. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright, let's do it fast with the left leg. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. So that was your cool corners on the right leg and cool corners on the left leg. Once you have mastered this, you can play with the footwork as much as you want. Right? So make sure you master the basics and then you can add your own variations. Right? Awesome. All the best.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.